Hi everyone, welcome back to your own YouTube channel KK Vasti Edu Hub, where we simplify your academic journey. As you can see on the screen, today we are going to address a very important question. Are the ICSE and ISC 2025 board exams really going to be very tough? Well, before we address this problem or this question, let's have a look at few of the informations from Council itself. This news came on 23rd July 2024, according to which the Council announces a major shift in the academic curriculum teaching process in line with NEP 2020. Well, the Council is now completely following NEP 2020. This is another news, the summary of the meeting that was held, and the clear indication is focus on competency based questions and skill based learning. So how is it going to affect our board exam pattern? How is it going to you know be bothering for the students, or is it going to be bothering? Well, let's answer the question. This news is from 8th of October, well, a few days back. Council has introduced robotics, AI and competency based exams for 11th and 12th board exams 2025. The council has confirmed that indeed you're going to get a lot of competency based questions. But how many competency based questions? Well, this is the data. In 2025 board exams, you are going to get 25% of the questions that will be competency based, that will involve analytical thinking. From 2026, this number will increase to 40%, and from 2027, 50% of your question paper will be in accordance to NEP. This is a very big news for all the students as well as the teachers who are teaching in ICSE and ISC schools, colleges, coachings, etc. Now, let us have a look at the important points of NEP 2020 that the council has taken into account. Very first thing, the council has introduced robotics and AI. A lot of schools have already opened a robotics and AI lab. So this is a very good step, and this is a very necessary step to make students ready and make them employment ready, right? 50% competency based question shift in board exams. This is what the council is aiming to achieve, and for this they are taking necessary steps as well. They are introducing new excellence centers: Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Chandigarh, Lucknow, and at a lot of other places as well. But how to address this issue? If you are a 2025 board appearing student, a lot of students of late are complaining कि सर बहुत लेट पता चला कि ऐसे क्वेश्चंस भी आएंगे, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, अभी भी 20 to 30% ऐसे बच्चे हैं who are not ready to accept this fact कि भाई हमारा प्री बोर्ड या हमारे कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव एग्जाम्स ऐसे हुए थे, क्या बोर्ड भी ऐसे आएगा? वेल, नाउ द एयर इज क्वाइट क्लियर. यस, बोर्ड का एग्जाम भी 25% ऐसे ही आएगा. 100 का 25% इज 25 मार्क्स, राइट? 70-80 में आप अकॉर्डिंगली उसको चेंज कर सकते हो. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज, हमें ये नहीं पता कि ये 20% कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस कैसे डिजाइन होंगे, राइट? तो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन है, NEP 2020 and Bloom's taxonomy. A lot of students will hear this word, and few teachers also, they'll be introduced to Bloom's taxonomy for the very first time. तो हमें ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि NEP 2020 Bloom's taxonomy के बेसिस पर क्वेश्चन पेपर कैसे बनाएगी, राइट? This is what the Bloom's taxonomy is. It has these levels: remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, and create. These are six basic steps or levels in Bloom's taxonomy. And every question paper, trust me, every question paper, be it of physics, chemistry, maths, Hindi, English, SST, whatever subject you are teaching, learning, every paper will be based on this Bloom's taxonomy. अब समझते हैं कि हमें क्वेश्चन पेपर कैसे मिलेंगे. अगर आप लोगों ने 2025 के काउंसिल के सैंपल पेपर्स देखे होंगे तो आपको ये कीवर्ड्स क्वेश्चंस पे लिखे दिखे होंगे, बट आई एम श्योर मैक्सिमम लोग ये समझ ही नहीं पाए होंगे कि जैसे कहीं एप्लीकेशन लिखा है, अंडरस्टैंड लिखा है, एनालाइज लिखा है, तो उसका क्या मतलब है? आपका क्वेश्चन पेपर ब्लूम्स टेक्सोनॉमी पर बन रहा है. The examiner has to cater each and every level in your question paper. Now I have also mentioned few keywords like describe, relate, find. These keywords are related to remember. So whatever memory based questions you will be getting in your exam paper, they'll be based on these keywords, right? And equal weightage has to be given to all the levels. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि केवल remember, मतलब I'm talking about those students who were just mugging up the concepts and appearing for their board exams. No, you're not going to clear it with good marks. You have to understand that each and every level is important. अब यहां पर टीचर का रोल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. चाहे कोई भी सब्जेक्ट हो, हर सब्जेक्ट में देयर आर सर्टेन चैप्टर्स, सर्टेन टॉपिक्स विच कैटर टू अ स्पेसिफिक लेवल इन दिस ब्लूम्स टेक्सोनॉमी. जैसे मैं आपको एग्जांपल दूं, बीइंग अ फिजिक्स टीचर, अगर आप मुझसे पूछोगे कि सर कैलोरीमेट्री से कैसा क्वेश्चन आएगा, भाई अगर 2025 कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन बनने वाला है तो कैलोरीमेट्री से कैसा क्वेश्चन आएगा. तो अगर आप कैलोरीमेट्री के क्वेश्चंस देखोगे और अपने कीवर्ड्स ढूंढोगे तो एक कीवर्ड बहुत प्रोमिनेंट है, सॉल्व, फाइंड, राइट. तो कैलोरीमेट्री में आपको एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन ही मिलने वाला है, राइट. अभी कोई आपसे पूछे कि सर अगर क्वेश्चन आता है व्हाट इज ओम्स लॉ, राइट, अंडर विच कंडीशन ओम्स लॉ इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल, तो ये आप तभी कर सकते हो व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड अ पर्टिकुलर कॉन्सेप्ट, राइट. तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल हो जाता है यहां पर आपके एजुकेटर्स का, आपके टीचर्स का, कि वो आपको बताएं कि किस सब्जेक्ट के किस क्वेश्चन में या किस चैप्टर से किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन ज्यादा बन सकता है. जैसे फिजिक्स में अगर आप मेरे से पूछो कि रेडियो एक्टिविटी और एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर से कैसा क्वेश्चन बनेगा, तो ऑब्वियसली वो रिमेंबर पर ही बनेगा. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू क्रिएट अ क्वेश्चन एट दिस लेवल ऑफ ब्लूम्स टेक्सोनॉमी, राइट. तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको सब्जेक्ट्स की प्रिपरेशन करनी है. इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर ऑफ दिस सीरीज आई विल टेल यू द मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन and probable level of Bloom's taxonomy that a particular chapter is going to address. So if you have not subscribed our channel yet, make sure you subscribe it, right. It's a very important session and it's a wake up call for the students who still believe कि ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है, right. तो ये ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा होने वाला है, right. इनफैक्ट बहुत से स्कूल्स ने, बहुत से अच्छे स्कूल्स ने जो अपने प्री बोर्ड्स के पेपर डिजाइन किए हैं वो भी इसी बेसिस पर किए हैं. तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी कॉशियस व्हाइल अटेम्प्टिंग योर प्री बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड रिमेंबर वन थिंग, every challenge is an opportunity to grow, right. And in case you want more tips or detailed guidance, you can subscribe my channel KK Avasthi EduHub. It has all the details, all the chapters covered for ICSE and ISC boards. And to address the competency based questions, we have come up with two test series for physics precisely. One is for class 10th board exams of physics. This is the test series. The other one is for class 12th board exams. The best part of the test series is you have unlimited attempts. You can attempt each and every question any number of times and every question has a proper solution to it. As soon as you submit the test, you get the solutions, and these test series are very affordable. They are less than 1500 for the next 7 to 8 months. So it's a very affordable kind of a thing. If you want, you can just check it out. You can download my app KK Avasthi EduHub. The link is there in the description box. You can give the free tests. आप free test देके देख सकते हो. If you like it, you can subscribe it, right. And we have two crash courses as well, not rather crash courses, I would call them comprehensive courses. One is for physics. I'll be teaching physics, ICSE physics. It is a recorded course and there is an option for live classes as well where we are going to address your doubts. The price of the course again is very affordable, 4500. You will be getting the entire physics recorded lecture, more than 80 lectures, which makes more than 10 to 12 lectures per subject with all the numericals and questions thoroughly discussed. There is one more crash course taught by Neha ma'am. This is for mathematics. Again, you will be getting more than 100 recorded lectures. The lectures are already there. You can visit these courses, you can check the free lectures, and if you find them interesting, you can purchase them, you can subscribe them. We'll catch up in the next lecture with the detailed analysis of how you can expect your physics 2025 board paper to be. For more information, don't forget to subscribe the channel, click the bell icon so that you're notified when I come live for the next time. All the very best for your board exams. Take care.